Recently I purchased a Soke Composition Book case for my iPad 7. It only cost $12.99. I thought it looked pretty cool, so I got one. Cut this open. So, other composition cases, they used like those. They use those. I forgot what you call it. Those four corner things, but this one actually fits, and it's a plastic TPU. So hopefully it fits in pretty well. Again, looks like a composition case, and it's magnetic at the end supposedly, so it'll automatically close. Put it in. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my screen protector, which it did a little bit. There you go. Fits pretty well. How are the holes? There's the hole. There's the hole. These holes. Looks like it's pretty good, but messed up my screen protector because it's up top over here. So let's see if I can fix that.